Welcome back to Powernation. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate American luxury SUV, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V. This isn't just any Escalade. This is Cadillac's high-performance take on their legendary full-size SUV. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's packed with cutting-edge tech. So, is this the most exciting luxury SUV on the market? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design. The Escalade-V takes Cadillac's signature styling and turns it up to 11. The bold black mesh grille dominates the front end, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights. Now, let's get to the heart of the Escalade-V, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out a monstrous 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. That's right. Cadillac has crammed the CT5V Blackwings engine into this full-size SUV, and the result is a 0 to 60 time of just 4.3 seconds. Insane for a 3-row luxury SUV. All that power is sent to all 4 wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and relentless acceleration. And let's talk about the sound. This thing roars like a muscle car, but with the refined tuning you expect from a high-end Cadillac. Now, raw power is great, but can it handle? Surprisingly, yes. Cadillac has given the Escalade-V Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 and Air Ride Adaptive Suspension, meaning it stays planted in the corners but delivers a plush ride when you're cruising. The steering is sharp for an SUV this size, and the high-performance Brembo brakes help bring all that weight to a stop in a hurry. Step inside and you're greeted with pure luxury. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and carbon fiber accents make this feel like a high-end lounge on wheels. But the real star of the show is the massive 38-inch curved OLED display, combining the gauge cluster and infotainment screen into one stunning setup. Of course now, despite all this performance, the Escalade-V doesn't forget it's still a family-friendly SUV. You get tons of space in all 3 rows, along with features like rear seat entertainment screens and ample cargo capacity. But all this luxury and performance comes at a price. Starting around $155,000, this isn't for the faint of heart. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V is a rare breed. An ultra-luxurious, high-performance, full-size SUV that brings muscle car energy to the luxury world. It's not just about speed, it's about making a statement. If you want an SUV that's both opulent and outrageously powerful, this is it. What do you think? Is the Escalade-V the ultimate performance SUV, or is it over the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Powernation for more high-octane car reviews. See you next time.